Hello everyone, this is Ramesh Babu. Today we are going to talk about data evaluation. Here we are considering a topic which is United States Census 2013 to 2017. Uh, the visualization that is being considered here is from tableau.com. So the objective of this visualization is like it provides the information on the population, so which is actually categorized based on location, that is states and counties, the race, age, income, average, I mean household income of the people, education level, whether they are graduates or how many graduates are there in a particular region, and what language they speak, and the main return rate of a particular state or a county. So this census is taken um, as one of the examples for descriptive analytics. Uh, So the visualization provides an example. So in this example, we are going to answer the question, what happened? I mean, generally, in this case, what happened is more of the count of a particular region or a county or a state over a period of time, what population is part of that particular region. So we also look at the uh, mail return rate and in general total population of the country, state, or county wise. So we can go through the visualization board in few minutes. So the main opportunities or the problems of a particular region um, can be considered in for this topic would be um, getting the population of people that speak a particular language like English, Spanish, or an Asian language. Um, and the food culture. Generally, the food culture can be considered based on the language that people speak. We don't have a specific category in the visualization for food culture, but yeah, so we can have a overview of considering the language spoken. The young and old population, uh, the household income and household broadband connectivity and mail return rate. These will help people who are looking into the data to find opportunities to start some kind of venture or some kind of business or analysis to either implement government facilities or start a business or do some kind of research. Yeah, this would be of a great use. Let's go to the visualization part uh, where we can see how it can be visualized based on region. So if you see the screen, so this is the Tableau website, and we are currently in the state dashboard where we can see the data visually categorized. I've selected California right now, where the mail return rate is 76.9%. So it's an average rate of a mail return. And if you see the somewhere like the minimum or maximum, that information is provided here. So we also see the race uh, in California, where a Black or African American alone is around 5.5%, the white people of around 37.9%. So we can get the information of race uh, or Hispanic or a Latino origin percentage. Similarly, we can get the total population of California in the top right corner of this visualization. We have currently selected contiguous states as the view, which provides all the contiguous states in the visualization. So we'll go through the other options in a few seconds. So we get information on the persons under 5 years, uh, persons 65 years and over, median household income like how many people are there with a median household income 2017 in terms of dollars. What is the income, median household income? It's around $67,169. And persons in poverty and a high school graduate, it's in the percentage. If you can see, if you see, I'm sorry, if you see here, age 25 plus is considered as are considered for the high school graduation, where it's around 82.5% of population is high school graduate or higher. Um, we have foreign born persons, that's 27%, and households with broadband. So this gives a lot of information for uh, people who do research, or who do analysis on data to start some kind of healthcare, education facilities, or some business. So this would be helpful information. Similarly, we also get the information, the percentage of different languages spoken, the percentage of persons speaking different language, like Spanish people, English only people, Asian, so other languages. We can go and click on any of the states here and see the similar information, or the similar category of information for each states. So we can select the map view Alaska and get the information on Alaska and see what's the population there, and similar information that we had earlier considered. If you see, there's not much information on the mail return rate. Yeah, if we select District of Columbia, so we get some information on the Columbia, similar information. And if we click on Hawaii, the Hawaii Highlands has similar information there. So we can see major language spoken is English, and we have around 27.70% uh, Spanish speaking people. So this data is uh, public data that is available, census.org, and it is a structural data. This is data is mostly collected in person, and in the forms of tables, columns and rows, and then fed into a certain type of database, into the data warehouses. We have categorical data in this, like categorized into different categories, as we see at the left side, like persons over 65 years and over, persons under 5 years, persons in poverty, and we also have numerical data. So we can make use of the numerical data to check the ratios. Like we can see here, the 35% of people speak English. So this data is mainly I believe this to be of a cleaner one, the most of the part, because it is taken in person and fed into database with some amount of human errors probably. Um, so the data is probably taken into either Excel sheets or something, and then consolidated together to some format, which is kind of a CSV or something, and then that data has been saved into the data warehouses. So this information can be used to get a lot of information about the demography of a particular region or a state or a county, uh, with which the either the government or the private companies uh, can decide on implementing some kind of business or facilities in the regions. So this would be of a great information for the target, or for the audience, or for the people who are uh, considering this data for some kind of analysis. Yeah. Thank you.